Assalamualaikum. Good morning. I hope you can hear my voice. अभी काफ़ी फ्लूश हुआ था. Anyways, I'm going out to get some work done. कुछ चीज़ें थी जो करनी थी. And let me just sit on this bench. Oh. Oh, the view is pretty nice. I still have like a few minutes before I head out. In the meanwhile, I'll show you the car. Let's open up the bonnet. This is an aftermarket MP3 player which I got from a local store. It's wobbly at the moment. I'm still waiting for someone. It's been 10 minutes or so, but I'm here in the shade. It's cool than I expected, cooler than I expected. लेकिन धूप में, yeah, the sun is out. I had a fever in the morning, but you have to man up. And I'm still making content for you guys. Well, more than often, flu was. So the camera is currently on the steering wheel. और कोई जगह मुझे मिली नहीं थी. And plus I have to keep my eyes on the road because ये लाहौर है और इधर जो लाहौर में रहते हैं इनको पता है traffic is how do you say, एक मैं कोई अच्छा word सोचना चाह रहा हूँ लेकिन अच्छा word मुझे I can't think of it at the moment. So yeah, the road कल भी और गाड़ी almost लग गई थी because इसकी ब्रेक भी दिखाने वाली है. खैर it's an old vintage car तो इसमें कोई ना कोई issues निकल आते हैं and that's the beauty of it, you know. इसका again अब देखो मैंने भी रेस दी है फिर वो एक लैग आ गया था गाड़ी एकदम बैठ जाती है. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जिनको आपने घबराना बिल्कुल नहीं है. You have to be, you know, go with the flow. It is part of the package when you get an old vintage car. अब ये बोलान वाला जो है माशाल्लाह साइड पे नहीं हो रहा and 40 की स्पीड पे जा रहा है. हालांकि look at this, यार बाइक वाले बाज नहीं आते. कब बाज आओगे यार, कब बाज आओगे. साइड पे हो जा भाई. नहीं साइड पे होना. असल में वालिद साहब की रोड है ना इसीलिए. गाइस दिल तो कर रहा है कि मैं आइसक्रीम खाऊं but at the moment I have a sore throat. लेकिन for the vlog I'm thinking कि sacrifice बनता है. However मैंने एक दो voice over reels upload करनी थी so चलो let's see. Oh, someone's taking their defreezer, I believe. हाँ, ये defreezer है जो जा रहा है. I guess repair होने जा रहा है because it looks like a used one. हमने left जाना है. मैं इसके चक्कर में उधर ना चला जाऊँ. Okay, we are entering Wabda town. Let me give you an advice for those who are listening, especially the young people out there, young boys and girls. देखो, the thing is कि it's a second. Let me turn. Okay. Whatever you do, whatever you decide to do, job है, business है, startup, anything. Even if you are going on social media, you are trying to be, reaching out through via different platforms. Remember one thing: whatever you believe in, you have to be absolutely. There's this word, उसको कहते हैं, याद आ गया. You have to be delusional. You have to be insanely delusional. और जो भी लोग कहें, like, किसी की बात सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है. Unless and until it is an advice, जो proper guidance हो, that is something else. लेकिन if people say ना, yeah, this isn't going to work out, या ये बहुत मुश्किल है, it's too difficult to, ये ज़्यादा देर चलेगा नहीं. No, don't listen to them. You don't need to listen to them because they have not been in your shoes और उन्होंने तो कुछ करना नहीं है. You just have to pass comments and all that. So whatever you believe in, be delusional and never ever ever give up. कोई भी नहीं साथ, I'm with you. ठीक है? तो trust me, inshallah you will achieve that goal, whatever it is. अच्छा, mindset वो रखो कि यार I am going to achieve this no matter what, लेकिन हलाल हराम की तमीज से. ठीक है? मेहनत करो, like do your best, लेकिन with sound morals and principles. अपने principles पे कभी भी compromise नहीं करना. So अब हम आइसक्रीम की जगह I'm going to get some dahi bhalle. I'll probably get like 2 plates or 1 depending upon कितना cash. I haven't checked in my wallet अभी. Let's see. यार वलेंशिया में ये गोरमे के साथ है. This is the best dahi bhalle that I have tasted so far वलेंशिया के अंदर. जी ये हैं लाहौरी दही भल्ले एंड फ्रूट चाट वलेंशिया में. And they have their best dahi bhalle. So हमने पैक कर लिए हैं 2 dahi bhalle with chutneys, meaty chutney of course, not the cutty ones. And we are back home. I might have to go again. Well, we'll probably have to go again. एक दो काम और हैं. I just have to wind them up after I guess 5ish. So yeah. Oh, I think that's more than enough for today. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.